हे व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मैं रोनिड ओपियानोप से। और जैसे कि आपको हर जगह ऐप्स पे या सोशल मीडिया पे या न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे जैसे आपको देखने को मिल रहा है कि देयर हैज़ बीन अ फाइट बिटवीन कपिल शर्मा एंड सुनील ग्रोवर। सो हुआ कुछ ऐसा था कि द कपिल शर्मा शो का एंटायर टीम वाज रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम अ शो इन मेलबर्न। नाउ दे were not in a chartered flight or they were not in a private jet. They were in a proper civilian jet and they were traveling in the business class. So Kapil, who was said to be drunk that day, got into a verbal spat with Chandu या मिस्टर प्रभाकर। तो जब बातें गाली गलौज पे आ गई तब सुनील ग्रोवर he intervened and he basically wanted to end the fight there and he wanted to stop the screaming and shouting that was going on. To his surprise, Kapil pounced on him and Kapil was basically very aggressive in dealing with Sunil and he started hurling abuses. Now बोला ये जा रहा है कि not only did Kapil abuse Sunil Grover but he also used phrases like तेरी औकात क्या है, and at the same time ये तक बोला गया कि after a point of time जब कपिल ने हाथ उठा दिया सुनील ग्रोवर के ऊपर, that was the time when the cabin crew intervened and he was not in the mood to be restrained. और यार आपको ये भी पता होगा कि एक नॉर्मल प्लेन पे बिजनेस क्लास और इकोनॉमिक क्लास में there's hardly any difference, ठीक है, कर्टन होता है and if someone is shouting and screaming on that side then obviously you can hear it on this side. Now the thing is that everyone knows that Kapil has a drinking problem and it's been since a long time he's had a drinking problem और इसके चलते भी बहुत सारी issues हुई हैं. But it's high time that Kapil actually understands that excessive drinking has ruined a lot of careers. Be it Honey Singh, जिनके excessive drinking के चक्कर में उनका पूरा करियर ख़राब हो गया, अभी आप देख सकते हैं where he was just a couple of years back, where he is now. या अगर आप देखेंगे धर्मेंद्र पाजी को, उन्होंने यहाँ तक खुद ही ये बोल डाला कि अगर उनका वो एक्सेसिव ड्रिंकिंग प्रॉब्लम ना होता तो शायद आज उनका भी करियर बैलेंस होता अमिताभ बच्चन जी के तरह। सो अभी ये कपिल शर्मा और उनके पीआर टीम का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इफ़ ही हैज़ अ हैबिट विच इज़ रूइनिंग नॉट ओनली हिज करियर बट the show that he's running right now and it is offending his co-artist, then trust me, neither is it good for him nor is it good for his show and nor for his audiences. कुछ sources थे जिन्होंने बोला था कि कपिल use the phrase कि भाई तेरी औकात क्या है। Now बहुत से कपिल शर्मा के फैंस थे जो बोलते थे कि नहीं यार, these are basically rumors, कपिल ऐसा कभी बोल ही नहीं सकता। लेकिन आप सुनील ग्रोवर का ट्वीट पढ़ेंगे, so he's clearly mentioned a few things which basically point out कि Kapil did say something very very harsh which might have been even worse than तेरी औकात क्या है। तो सुनील ग्रोवर ने ये ट्वीट किया था, just one advice, start respecting human beings also apart from animals. Now the part that is worth noting in this entire reply from Sunil Grover is this particular portion. He refrained from using foul language in front of women who had nothing to do with stardom you carry. Thanks for making me realize it was your show and you have the power to throw out anybody anytime. You are the wittiest and the best in your field, but don't act like God. How many times do you make a mistake and you apologize to people? यहाँ तक कि Kapil Sharma was also said to have misbehaved with his female co-stars, co-actors like Monali Thakur and Tanisha Mukherjee and other female stars when they were having an event celebrating the International Marathi Film Festival in 2015. Now everyone knows that Kapil has a drinking problem, right? Now the only way he is going to let go of a habit like that is when his show or his production is hit financially. ठीक है, ये कब होगा? When a person like Sunil Grover, who is also considered as a backbone of the entire Kapil Sharma show, when he leaves, then the TRP is going to take a toss. Now this is something that even Sony Entertainment Television or set even understands. और जितना भी ये पैचअप वर्क है, इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ उनका भी होगा कि भाई कपिल, your show is the #1 running show on television right now. At the same time TRP इतनी अच्छी चल रही है, so why disturb the TRPs in the first place? So as a daily viewer of the Kapil Sharma show, I don't want to say this but I seriously doubt Sunil Grover coming back to this show, and he has already not shot yesterday's show. Monday evening के shoot पे he didn't come. Even Prabhakar जो चंदू play करते हैं, even he didn't come. So it's very high time that Kapil actually spends a bit of time and his PR activities in making his friends and his co-stars happy. क्योंकि अगर आपका यूनिट जो है, if that doesn't work the way it should, then any show on this world is actually going to fail. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then please do subscribe to our channel and like this video ताकि हम आपको ऐसे और भी वीडियोस ला सकें।